The main point in this last part of the course is that also from this side of the 6th century BCE, this period is not a distinct and separate gap or a period of empty land, but a period that connecting the First Temple period with the Second Temple period, the 7th and the 5th centuries BCE. The main characteristic of the material culture that were developed in the 6th century BCE as a clear continuation from the 7th century BCE continue to exist in the Persian period with slow and gradual changes. Also in the economy and the administration, there are clear lines of continuity, and the same patterns that developed under Assyrian rule continue to the Babylonian and then to the Persian periods. The only changes that occurred in the early Persian period can't be detected in archaeology. The rebuilding of the temple, the return of representatives' families from the Babylonian exile, and the renewed settlement in Jerusalem. We know about these changes only from the biblical material. However, these changes are the most important development in the history of Judah and the Judeans after the destruction of Jerusalem some dozen years before, and may be one of the most important events in the Jewish history. It was a beginning of a new era in the history, the period of the Second Temple, with new developments of the religion, the social life, and the national memory.